shadowed halls the essence gleams, revealing truth beyond our dreams. All the forms that once seemed real melt within a sacred seal. Dark and light no longer fight, they merge within a single sight. Archetypes that shape the mind fall away and leave behind a vision pure of tranquil flame, calling softly by no name. Every moment glows with grace. Every being shares one face. Through the veil the heart can see boundless light in unity. Silent rays dissolve the fears, washing echoes